Welcome back. In this segment, we will share how we will work through the details of Section 8, Revenue and Expense Forecast. First, the revenue. The data for this will have already been attended to in the previous section of your business plan. The data will be presented here as summary data so that we may properly present gross revenue, itemized expenses, total expenses, and net income. The format of the presentation will mimic a P&L, a profit and loss statement. Having already obtained the detailed revenue data, we are left with reviewing the historical expenses and forecasting the expenses for the time period covered in your business plan. Just as with the sales forecast, we will use the historical expenses as the starting point and create the forecast month by month. By the time we are having the screen sharing session devoted to expenses, the team at Stewardship will have already taken the historical expense data and arranged it by expense item. Shown will be the expense as a dollar amount and as a percent of revenue. We will then use the historical expenses to discuss future expenses. We must explain to the underwriter or investor why an expense is projected to decrease, remain the same, or increase. There are specific reasons for taking this approach, which we will discuss during our screen sharing session. For now, I just want to ensure that you know that the same level of detail we bring to the revenue side of your business model, we bring to the expense side. Once we have the total revenue and total expenses, the net income will be right in front of us. The net income will be expressed as dollars and as a percentage of revenue. These are critical details for the underwriter or investor. The primary reason we go to such detail in gathering information is to instill confidence that your numbers provide a sound basis for the forecasted business model. For now, please share if you anticipate decreases or increases to specific expenses and why. An information gathering sheet is provided as an attachment. Please complete and return it as soon as you are able. During our screen sharing sessions, we will discuss your answers and do a deep dive into this aspect of your financial forecast. Turning our attention to the next video segment, it is about pro forma financial statements. More specifically, the manner in which we present data in your plan and how information is arranged in a P&L and balance sheet. Thank you, and see you again soon.